C-Bus.
Hi, it's Gary. Glad you're watching. Since you're at this video, you found my Columbus Landscapers YouTube channel. That's a great thing. Since you're here, don't forget to share it and also subscribe. We'll start right there with that. If you haven't been on this channel before, you'll note that I have a lot of experience in landscaping, over 25 years owning my own business. I post a lot of videos from complete landscape installs like this. I talk about seeding and lawn aeration. I do equipment reviews on lawn aerators and such. You can also find some other videos I do on things like how to build a retaining wall, how to fix an electric dog fence, and just lots of other things. On the subject of topics, I have another YouTube channel that actually predates this one, and it's called Notorious JCB. I started there just as a side hobby. Doesn't really go with my core business and my day-to-day operations. However, I fix so many things, it's intertwined with my business. I have all sorts of equipment and tools. So I started a channel originally to show some of the equipment and some of the repair techniques that I use on the trucks and equipment and tools. If you're interested in mechanical repairs and creative solutions like that, subscribe to my other channel. It's Notorious JCB, and I'll post a link to it also. As far as this channel, Columbus Landscapers, I'm going to continue to post everything that's landscape related. It can be turf care, landscape installs, how-to, landscape tools, equipment, landscape-related reviews. So you comment and let me know what you'd like to see more of. I've got a couple comments already in the past. This channel is only about a year or so old, so I'm trying to build it. As far as comments go, I've had a couple previous subscribers already ask me to update a few things, like for instance, one of them asked me how you load your trailer. It might seem funny at first, but think about it, there's a bit of science to it. If you load your trailer just right, you can save yourself a lot of time during the day. I have a really specific system of how I do this, so it's not really that bad of a question. For instance, if you can save yourself 2 or 3 minutes every time you have a stop during the day, and you go to something like 15 stops a day, you can save a significant amount of time, about 45 minutes of your workday, just on loading and unloading your trailer at each stop. So think about that. There's another subscriber that asked me how to plant material. Well, that's Landscape 101, which is great. I should have something on there already. I show a lot of projects where we install complete landscaping, but sometimes I don't boil it down to say, you know, this is how you take it out of the pot, and this is how you put it in the ground. So I think I could probably do a video on that one too. Just post things in the comments, and I'll look at that stuff, and I'll decide whether or not we should do a video on that right away, or if that's going to come later. I have a lot of stuff already filmed that I'm trying to publish and upload. Just takes some time, and since this is a side gig for me, I gotta bring in the bucks when they're there. If the sun's shining, I'm usually working. So I'm going to get back to it. Thanks for watching.